Day trading is a high-risk, fast-paced strategy where traders buy and sell financial assets within the same trading day. If you're a beginner looking to get started, here are some key points to consider. 1. Education. Start by learning the basics of the financial markets, trading terminology, and different trading strategies. There are plenty of online resources, courses, and books available. 2. Risk management. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Set strict risk management rules, like stop-loss orders, to limit potential losses. 3. Choose the right broker. Select a reputable online broker with low fees and a user-friendly trading platform. Make sure they offer the assets you're interested in trading. 4. Practice with a demo account. Most brokers offer demo accounts where you can trade with virtual money. Use this to practice your strategies before risking real capital. 5. Start small. Begin with a small amount of capital to minimize risk. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your position size. 6. Develop a trading plan. Create a clear and well-defined trading plan that includes entry and exit strategies, risk tolerance, and profit targets. 7. Emotions control. Emotions like greed and fear can lead to impulsive decisions. Stick to your trading plan and don't let emotions dictate your trades. 8. Continuous learning. The markets are constantly changing. Stay updated with news and market analysis and be prepared to adapt your strategies. 9. Keep records. Maintain a trading journal to track your trades and learn from both your successes and failures. 10. Be patient. Success in day trading takes time. Don't expect instant profits and be prepared for setbacks along the way. Remember, day trading can be highly volatile and is not suitable for everyone. It's crucial to approach it with caution and a commitment to ongoing education and discipline.